This one is perfect for the dessert line. Bricks is at 14.2.
Excellent. Move it to the yellow crate. Okay, bring it in slowly now. Easy, easy. Stop right there, perfect. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll walk through how papaya dessert is manufactured inside this facility.
Utilizing state-of-the-art technology, the factory processes thousands of papayas an hour with minimal waste.
The throughput on the small gauge is exceeding the target by 10%.
Good, the adjustments worked. Maintain current speed.
Ensuring the precise temperature is maintained is crucial for the papaya's freshness. Our state-of-the-art sealing process locks in the flavor.
The automated gates ensure a seamless flow of the fresh fruit towards the cooking vats.
Temperature is holding steady at 980. Good. Keep the paddles slow.
Check the viscosity on screen 3.
It's stabilizing now. Texture looks perfect. Pressure looks stable at 20,000.
Good consistency. We can lock the batch now.
The temperature is holding steady at 95.
Good. Phase 2 stabilization is complete.
Keep the flow steady on lane 3.
Looks good from here. Alignment is perfect.
Accurate label placement ensures brand consistency
and consumer clarity for papaya dessert.
The continuous flow of dessert cups is managed by these high-speed robotic arms, capable of forming fixed-count clusters with pinpoint accuracy.
The papaya dessert pallets are moved directly into our state-of-the-art, climate-controlled warehouse, ensuring optimal freshness.
Bay 4 is clear for the papaya shipment.
All right, scan complete, move it down. Clear on the left. Doors closing, keep the cold in.
The Papaya dessert fleet utilizes state-of-the-art automation to ensure freshness upon arrival at the regional hub.
Subscribe for more industrial factory walkthroughs and manufacturing breakdowns.
This is the completed papaya dessert, ready for distribution. The production cycle is completed successfully.